In Excel, if you need to swap first name and last name, basically you type the last name like that, comma Joe, and hit enter, and do a flash fill by holding Ctrl+E on Windows or Command+E in Mac. It will automatically fill up the format what you entered on your first row. But this flash fill doesn't work too well if you have a single word name like Zorro, SpongeBob, Batman, and Hulk, right? So that's a bit of a problem with Excel. Let's swing over to Google Sheet. Now in Google Sheet, you can try doing the same thing here too. Let's say Will, comma Joe, and hit enter. And in Google Sheet, what they have is called Smart Fill, and the hotkey for Smart Fill is Ctrl+Shift+Y. But it does not really work too well if you have an extra character that you have added, like a comma here. So if you get rid of a comma, just Will Joe like that, and you press Ctrl+Shift+Y, it will do a Smart Fill for you, similar to what Excel does. And likewise in Excel, the single name is not handled very well here as well, you can see. So another way to mitigate this problem would be to use a REGEXREPLACE formula, and the formula goes like this. And after that, apply the same formula to the rest of the rows. As you can see, the REGEXREPLACE handles single worded name very well. And also for salutation, it handles the salutation much better.